Hi everybody, welcome back. So this is going to be a really quick pour. As you can tell, it's a little bit different. There's not an intro and all that because I filmed this and then uploaded it directly from my phone. I did a pour a little bit ago. I didn't videotape it because I kind of wanted to paint just for me and not videotape it, and I love the way it turned out, so I'm going to try and recreate it. So we are using the Flow Acrylic White, the Flow Acrylic Black, and then also our Craftsmart Sapphire Metallic. Those are the only colors that we used. I think I've come up with a new pouring medium mixture that I will, once I kind of figure out and tweak it a little bit, I will share that recipe with you. But right now it's Floetrol, Deco Art Pouring Medium, Deco Art Clear Pouring Top Coat, and then also Liquitex Varnish in different ratios. So that's what we're at. There's no water, there's no silicone, no anything, just pouring medium and paint. And we are going to get started. that's it. We are going to let this dry. That is part 1. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the little notification button so you know when part 2 is coming. We will be sealing this and probably not putting a vinyl on it. I'm not sure yet, but that's it. So hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the little notification button. Tomorrow I will put all of the names of the paints and all of that kind of stuff on the video as well. So I will see y'all soon in part 2. Bye. God bless.